Here we go. You got Friday special 2012 National Treasures box break number 3. 10:22 Eastern Standard Time. We got the big stuff here. If you missed out on this, I don't know when we got National Treasures again. I mean, it's just those cases, you can't come by full cases very often. But when you do, you do it. You do it, yeah. All right, here's the second side of the case. So we got one more box. It's right there. I'm gonna leave that right there. You know what? I'm gonna fire it up. I'm gonna take off the jacket. We gotta get down to business here. AD, let's see you on that tweet. Getting people geared up for the 6-box. The next 6-box mixer. Here we go. So box number 3, good luck. Let's see if I can cut myself on this. Oh, come on. AD, get people pumped up. I posted another 6-box mixer. We don't do this. We don't do the big 6 mixers or anything like that very often, so give it a run, player. Give it a run. All right, here's John Riggins. And that is going to Washington. 88 out of 99. Big Dog, 808. Then you got my 79 out of 99. Then you got Carson Palmer. Going to Oaktown. That'll be 12 out of 25. I've never seen so many Carson Palmers come out of one case. Get on my face, Carson Palmer. God dang it. All right, next, Johnny Baldwin. Going to KC, Bobo. 84 to 99. Junior Seau. Going to San Diego. HBKYD getting that 32nd draft pick hit. 51 out of 99. Then you got a David Wilson. $30 out of 49. Going to those Giants, which would be RX Man 2010. And then Jonathan Martin. Go easy on him. Go easy. We don't want anybody tattling. All right, so then we got, that's going to Miami. Ray, 11 out of 49. Then you got Fletcher Cox. By the way, guys, we got 2 full cases of Flawless that are already sold out. Just went on sale this afternoon. Already gone. And we're breaking those tonight by the BT Dubs. We're breaking those directly after this. 23 out of 99. Fletcher Cox going to Philadelphia. Mr. Doodles. And then you have a Ryan Matthews going to San Diego. How did San Diego fall down to the 32nd spot? They still have hits. Boy, because I got all the hits. It's 34 out of 49. CB, yeah. Next, you got rookie signature material silver of Mohamed Sanu. Going to Cincy. Getting nasty with it. So rare. Come on, dude. So going to Cincinnati. That'll be so rare. And give me a Big Ben. Dude. Big Benathai. I feel like it's Benathai is his real name. Not even close to Benjamin. It's Benathia, which it's, yeah. Anyway, let's go to Pittsburgh, though. T. Levy, again. Another nice little Pittsburgh hit, 5 out of 10. So nice little Big Ben, 5 out of 10. And then last, it's Robert the Turbo Turbin JC Barfly 76. We wish it was a Russ. 3 out of 15. Very, very short print. It's going to come down to this last box. Just saying. But you have to. It's not like you can't, like, not take a shot. You have to take a shot. So,